Specifically, we want to look at tax and what bracket that those conversions are going to be taxed at. As you mentioned at the start of the show, what we do heavily is tax planning. And so we want to make sure where those dollars are going to fall in your marginal bracket. Your marginal bracket is the stair steps. So there's a 10%, 12%, 22, all the way up to 37%. And we typically recommend conversions somewhere between the 12 and 22% bracket. Makes the most sense. Sometimes if you can't get out of those higher brackets, we will definitely still recommend, just because we know taxes are on sale, as you mentioned. And so as of today, we know that by the end of 2025, that the tax code that we currently have will sunset, and that 12% bracket goes to 15, the 22% bracket goes to 25, 24 is the next one, goes to 28, and the way that you pay attention to that, again, is making sure you're maximizing the bracket that you're in.
100%. And, our attention to detail when it comes to tax planning sometimes can get people in trouble if they're not working with a specialist or someone from our team in particular. And so I want you to rewind that if you're watching us on YouTube or podcast and re-listen to what Aaron said. You have to pay attention to the marginal tax bracket you're stuck in, or we call married to, because you don't want to push yourself into a higher bracket